Alright, today we will be doing an eval of the wrist. Start out with, you take history questions, see if the patient has any previous history, anything like that. So it's important to take history, find out previous injuries. That may lead to more information about what this injury is, stuff like that. My 5 questions that I'm going to ask today to my patient are, if you ever had this previous injury before? If so, when was it? What's your pain scale, 1 to 10? What type of pain are you feeling? Stuff like that. Are you right or left-handed? That can lead to more information about the injury. How long has it been hurting? And when does it hurt the most during the day? What activities cause more pain than others? Stuff like that. For observation for a wrist injury, you're going to be looking for swelling, if the patient is compensating when they're doing any movements. You're going to look for different colors, like if there's bruising, anything like that. Swelling will be red, hot to touch. You're also going to look for like deformity. If there's an obvious deformity, that'll help lead you to your diagnosis. For palpation, today I will be palpating the radial styloid process. So I'll have my patient just relax your hand. I'll ulnarly deviate, radial styloid process. Now I will radially deviate and I'll palpate the ulnar styloid process. I will also be palpating the scaphoid, so do that. Scaphoid, and I'll be palpating the lunate. The reason I'm palpating these are because with the radial and ulnar deviation, I'm testing ligaments and tendons, stuff like that, and then scaphoid and lunate, I'm testing for fractures, dislocations, stuff like that. So can I get you to extend your wrist like that? Okay. Now put your hand over the edge over here and flex like that as far as you can go, and then that works. So now I'm going to resist it, so I want you to flex your wrist again like this. Okay. Come over to the edge of the table. Now flex your hand. There you go. And then passive, I'm just going to move it, so just relax. You go until the patient won't let you go anymore. Maybe pain's causing it. There might be an actual anatomical structure that's causing the stopping, and then go do that until pain is present or it can no longer move. My manual muscle test that I'll be doing today is resisted flexion ulnarly. So I'm going to have my patient ulnarly deviate, so go out, and then extend your wrist like that. Okay, and then I'll do it bilaterally, so ulnarly deviate. Okay, and then for that was extension. That's testing the extensor carpi longus, and for flexion, bring your hand over here. Ulnarly deviate, so go like that, and then flex your hand, pull it down. Okay, and then this hand. Okay, and that is testing the flexor carpi ulnaris. I'll be doing 4 special tests. That will be the varus test. You stabilize the forearm. You provide a varus force, and a positive indication for that would be an RCL pathology, radial collateral ligament, and then I'll do varus test. That valgus test, excuse me, that will be testing the UCL. Positive sign would be UCL pathology, and then I will be doing the Phelan's test. So can I have you do these? Press your hands together. This will be completed for 3 minutes, and then they'll let go. If pain is present, then that's a positive indication for median nerve compression, and then I'll also have them do reverse Phelan's. So you're just going to do the opposite, press together for 3 minutes. Pain's present, then it will be a positive sign for median nerve compression. And that's my wrist eval.